Hi guys, Jules here. At this point in our Siargao trip, we thought why not explore by land? Kami ni Raiden plus our barkada rented a multicab for the day. Walang itinerary masyado, just vibes, laughter, and a love for the unknown. First stop, Siargao Mountain View. Epic views, fresh air, and a TikTok-worthy drone-style spin shot. Pero tao lang ang involved dito ah. Ang galing ni Kuya mag-shoot. Pero syempre, tapos ako naman yung naging human drone para matry ko para sa tropa. Ang saya! Next, Maasin River. We hopped on bamboo boats, took pictures, and nag-chill lang kami sa tabi ng river with some drinks. May mga locals pa na sobrang bait. It felt like we were part of the community, even for a moment. Then came Magpupungko. Eto na, first time kong mag-dive. Lagi akong takot before pero ewan ko, may magic talaga yung lugar na to. I jumped, I landed, and I kept doing it. Ang saya! Last stop was Pacifico Beach. Di na kami masyado nagtagal dito, we just passed by. But it was a perfect, quiet goodbye to an action-packed day. Kung gusto niya ng ganitong trip, relax lang, no pressure, pero puno ng memories, you can book everything through Klook. Gamitin niyo na rin ang discount code ko na Klook Scout para sa mga discounts. Swak sa budget, easy pa gamitin. Till our next lakad!